Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to make caramel using sweetened condensed milk. This guide will show you two popular and easy methods to transform a simple can of sweetened condensed milk into a luscious, golden caramel. Whether you prefer a hands-off approach or a more traditional technique, you'll learn how to achieve a perfectly smooth and delicious result. We'll also cover important safety tips and how to store your homemade caramel for future enjoyment. Let's get started. The stovetop method is a classic way to make caramel. First, remove the paper label from an unopened can of sweetened condensed milk. Place the can in a large pot, ensuring it's fully submerged under at least 1 inch of water. Bring the water to a gentle simmer and cook for 2 to 3 hours. Remember to check the water level every 30 minutes and add more hot water as needed. Once cooked, use tongs to carefully remove the can and let it cool completely for several hours before opening. This ensures safety and a perfectly smooth caramel. For an equally delicious result, try the oven method. Begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk into a 9-inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil. Place this dish into a larger roasting pan, then carefully fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that comes halfway up the sides of the smaller dish. Bake for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the caramel reaches a beautiful golden brown color. Safety is paramount when making caramel. Always let your cans or dishes cool completely before handling or opening to prevent any hot caramel from bursting out. For a thinner caramel sauce, reduce the cooking time slightly. For a thicker, richer spread, extend it. Once cooled, stir the caramel well to ensure a perfectly smooth texture. Store your delicious homemade caramel in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 month. Enjoy this versatile treat on ice cream, toast, or in your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.